Decorating your home doesn't always mean spending a lot of money. Sometimes the most creative and charming decor pieces come from waste materials that we usually throw away. With a little imagination and some basic items like a plastic bottle, cardboard, jute, and artificial greenery, you can create a beautiful DIY table vase at almost no cost. This project is not only eco-friendly but also adds a rustic and handmade touch to your home. In this guide, I'll explain step by step how to transform waste into a stylish table vase that doubles as a flower pot. The process is simple, affordable, and fun for anyone who loves crafting. Materials you will need: empty plastic bottle, cardboard sheet, jute rope or jute fabric pieces, artificial greenery or flowers, white glue, scissors or cutter, glue gun or strong adhesive, paint and brush optional. Step 1. Prepare the base with cardboard. The first step in making your DIY table vase is creating a strong base. Take a piece of cardboard and cut it into a neat circle. This circle will act as the platform that holds the vase securely. Make sure the size is large enough to support the plastic bottle without wobbling. Once you have the circle ready, cover it with white glue and place jute over it. You can use jute fabric, rope, or threads, whichever you have. This not only strengthens the base but also gives it a rustic and natural look. Allow the glue to dry completely before moving to the next step. Step 2. Prepare the plastic bottle. Next, take an empty plastic bottle and cut it according to the size you want for your vase. The lower portion of the bottle works best, as it has more stability. Smooth the edges with scissors so they don't look rough or sharp. Now, wrap the entire bottle with jute. Apply white glue, or use a glue gun to fix the jute in place. Wrap it tightly so that no part of the bottle remains visible. This step hides the plastic completely and gives your vase a stylish handmade look. Step 3. Attach the bottle to the base. Once the bottle is wrapped, place it upright on the cardboard circle base. Use glue or a glue gun to stick the bottle firmly. Wrap extra jute around the joint where the bottle meets the base to hide any gaps and to add extra strength. This ensures your vase stands strong and looks professional. Step 4. Add decorative elements. To make your vase more beautiful, create small flowers or designs with extra jute. Roll small pieces of rope into circles and stick them onto the vase to form flower shapes. You can also make spiral patterns or geometric designs. These handmade jute flowers add an elegant and natural feel to the piece. If you like more color, you can lightly paint the jute flowers with gold or silver paint to give them a highlighted effect. However, keeping them natural also gives a rustic and earthy charm. Step 5. Insert artificial greenery. Now it's time to bring life to your vase. Place artificial greenery or flowers inside the bottle. Since the vase is lightweight, artificial plants are better than heavy real plants. Choose greenery or colorful flowers based on your home's theme. A bunch of bright artificial roses or a collection of green leaves will instantly add freshness to your decor. Step 6. Final touch. Check your vase from all sides. If you see any gaps or loose jute, fix them with glue. You can also decorate the base with beads, glitter stones, or ribbons for an extra shine. Once everything is dry and secure, your DIY table vase is ready to use. Why choose this DIY vase? This project has several advantages beyond just decoration. Eco-friendly craft. Instead of throwing away plastic bottles and old cardboard, you recycle them into something useful. Budget-friendly. All materials used are either waste or very low cost. Handmade charm. The rustic look of jute adds warmth and style to your home. Customizable. You can change the size, color, and design according to your preference. Versatile. The vase can be used as a flower pot, table centerpiece, or decorative item in any room. Best places to display your DIY vase. Living room. Place it on the coffee table or side table as a centerpiece. Bedroom. Add it to your bedside table for a cozy and fresh feel. Study or office table. A small vase with greenery makes the workspace look inviting. Dining table. Use it as a table centerpiece during family meals. Balcony or entrance. Place it near the entrance or on the balcony to welcome guests with style. Tips for perfect results. Use thick cardboard for a stronger base. Choose lightweight artificial flowers to avoid pressure on the vase. Try experimenting with different bottle shapes for unique looks. Add a coat of transparent varnish for durability and shine. Combine natural and artificial elements, like small twigs or dried flowers, for a creative touch. Conclusion: creating a DIY table vase from waste materials like plastic bottles, cardboard, and jute is a creative and affordable way to decorate your home. With just a few steps, cutting, wrapping, attaching, and decorating, you can turn simple household waste into a stunning flower pot. This craft not only adds beauty but also promotes recycling and sustainable living. By making this vase, you're not just crafting decor, you're creating art that reflects your creativity and care for the environment. Try this project today and give your home a handmade touch that everyone will admire.